Welcome to Almay. We're here to share tech knowledge with you. Let's get our journey started. Here is an issue from a Windows user. When I try to convert my Windows 10 boot disk from MBR2GPT partition table, it keeps failing with the Cannot Find OS Partition for disk 0. How to fix this? If you also meet the same situation, then don't miss this video. Keep watching to learn the solutions. In general, one of the most important reasons of the Cannot Find OS Partition for disk 0 would be the bad entries in the boot configuration data. To solve it, you can refer to the following steps. Input diskpart in the search box and run it. Run the following commands to find out the OS partition and the system reserved partition and assign them a drive letter. Run this command to take a further look into the Windows system partition to check whether there are boot folder inside. If there is no required boot folder, then run the command to check the system reserved partition. After you find the boot folder in either system partition or system reserved partition, you need to run the command to invoke the bcded tool and point it to the boot configuration data store that you have found. Look out the invalid entries now. Run this command. There are many hints for bad or invalid entries. For example, you might find unknown in some entries. They can be the remnant of a previous Windows installation or caused by some vicious software. Copy the identifier of the bad entry and point the bcded to the store again, and ask it to delete the bad entry using the copied identifier. Then you can try to run the command again to check whether they're okay. When everything goes well, try the MBR2GPT tool again. You can make it done successfully this time. Refer to the above solution. You can solve the Cannot Find OS partitions for disk 0 in MBR2GPT tool. However, it is too complicated and difficult to follow for most users. So here we would like to share an easier tool to help you finish the MBR2GPT conversion. That is Almay Partition Assistant Professional. Compared with MBR2GPT, it can finish the MBR2GPT conversion on an intuitive interface, easy to follow for both experts and newbies. It is able to work well on all editions of Windows. It supports converting both system disk and non-system disk from MBR to GPT without deleting any data on the disk. Now you can download its free version in the description area and upgrade to the Pro Edition to enjoy this feature. Before that, please make sure that your device supports UEFI and back up your vital data. Run Almay Partition Assistant Professional. Right-click the system disk and choose Convert to GPT disk. In the next window, click OK to confirm your operation. Click on Apply to commit the pending operation. This video tells how to solve MBR2GPT Cannot Find OS Partition on Windows 10. Besides, we also introduced another tool to help you easily get around such issues. The Almay Partition Assistant Professional also comes with many other functions. Clone MBR disk to GPT disk, transfer OS between MBR and GPT, convert dynamic disk to BASIC without deleting volumes, and more. Want to know more about Almay? Looking for more tech knowledge? Just subscribe us and leave comments. We're here to help you with your any issues.